In 2024, I'm diving into an awesome niche to launch my brand new Faceless YouTube channel that you can jump on as well. And here's the best part. It's going to cost me absolutely nothing to start. I'm using just one AI tool to do it all. No script writing, no filming, no voiceovers. So follow along as I walk you through an amazing hot niche I've discovered that's perfect for faceless channels, selecting an in-demand topic for videos, plus a super simple, super fast money-making strategy. That'll shoot these videos to the top of YouTube searches. You'll be so pumped up if you join me in this hot niche as well, that you'll hit that like and subscribe button for sure. In the end, I will also reveal how I plan to start making money instantly, even before my channel gets the monetization green light. So without further ado, let's dive into the niche that I have found working well right now, and I will show you why. To make sure that it has some real buzz, we will draw some inspiration from existing channels that are crushing it. Not just that, my main criteria for selection is going to be that they started only recently and have grown super fast without showing any faces. Check out this channel in the history niche as an example. It's only got 6 videos, but it's already racked up 58k subs and over 5 million views. Then there's another one that skyrocketed with just 15 videos, earning 33k subscribers and 3+ million views. My strategy to prove there's still solid interest in a niche? I look for smaller channels with a few videos that have made a big splash. Let me show you the exact steps I take to discover these hidden treasures. But first, let me show you a fantastic example of a small channel. It has around 13k subscribers and about 39 videos. What's interesting here? The creator shares his journey in the description, starting in Jan 2023 and reaching about 10k subscribers in just 11 months. Now, that's what I call inspiration. If he can do it, I think anyone can. Let's get inspired and start our own YouTube success story together. So, here's what I do. I open a private browsing session on my browser and head to YouTube. I type in a keyword related to historically important figures, like history of Cleopatra. Now, for the fun part, I go to filters, sort by view count, set the duration to 420 minutes to filter out shorts, and add this month to my search criteria. Boom, I've got a list of videos that have been popular in the past month to explore. Then, I look for a channel that stands out from this list. And wow, I struck gold on my first attempt. I found a faceless channel with 44 videos and 1k subscribers that just started a few months ago. This is a solid sign that faceless YouTube channels in this niche can make a splash and attract viewers. Look, it's not that simple. Even though you find a niche, finding your uniqueness inside it is the key. Additionally, I will still need to figure out how to get my videos on top of searches as much as possible. Follow along as I'll dive into that towards the end. For now, my mission is to find a topic idea where my channel can shine and stand out. Let's get searching for that perfect idea. Alright, so I did some more digging, and guess what I found? Another amazing small channel where the creator has around 67 videos and 25k subscribers, and it's completely faceless. When I checked out their most popular videos, I noticed something interesting. People are super curious about Cleopatra's life, especially the darker, more secretive side. So I thought, why not see if this is still a hot topic? I went over to YouTube and started typing Cleopatra in the search bar. It's like YouTube's playing a guessing game, suggesting what others are looking for. When I added dark after Cleopatra to my search, YouTube showed me even more related keywords. And when I hit enter, wow, it's clear this topic is a big hit, drawing loads of views for many channels. So I decided to explore this intriguing angle as our topic for the video. Now, I'm thinking, why not ask my ChatGPT pal AIPRM for some catchy title ideas about Cleopatra's dark secrets? I'll pop into the search bar, filter it down to YouTube, and sort by top usage. I have used this one before, so let's see what it generates for us. I will go with Cleopatra's Untold Story Darker Than You Think. This one, I think, just clicks. Let's roll with that title and move on to the next big step, creating a thumbnail for our video. A lot of folks leave this for the end, but if you listen to interviews with big YouTubers like Mr. Beast or Ali Abdaal, you'll learn that having your thumbnail ready even before you start scripting is super important. It might sound backward, but it's one of the first things you should do. It helps shape your ideas, story, and how you tell it. Sure, there are tons of videos with clickbait thumbnails, but if your thumbnail is honest and you deliver value, it works every time. Remember, it's like the front door of your house. You want it to be inviting and give a great first impression. Let's make ours stand out. For the thumbnail, I'm heading over to ChatGPT to get a visual description for my video. I got back a nice, detailed description, which I'm going to copy and use for my thumbnail creation. Next, I'll explore all the AI PRM community GPTs to find one, and my go-to is usually the first one by Puzzle Today, which helps me create some cool thumbnails. I'm also thinking of skipping the text overlay for now since AI isn't perfect at writing captions yet. I might use Canva or another tool later to add my caption. And hey, you can even ask ChatGPT for caption ideas. Now, let's watch DALL-E work its magic. The first thumbnail it generated looks great, but I'm going to run it again to see if I can get an even better one. Honestly, both options seem pretty solid, but I'm leaning more towards the second one. I get it, you might be thinking, but I don't have the ChatGPT Plus subscription with DALL-E. No worries, I've got a solution for you. You can do the same thing with Leonardo AI, which is free. It's a great alternative for creating awesome thumbnails without any cost. With all the groundwork done, the tool I'm using today is InVideo AI, which is going to handle the rest and save me a ton of time. It's a fantastic tool, supported by a vibrant Discord community that includes their management, technical leaders, and loads of creative individuals. It's become a crucial part of my creative process. But remember, friends, mastering AI is all about the art of creative prompting. So before I jump into InVideo, I'm going to head back to ChatGPT to craft the perfect prompt. This step is key to maximizing the effectiveness of my video and minimizing the need for edits later on. Alright, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write up my description and creative style, and you can do the same. And wow, it's like it read my mind, creating exactly what I needed. Now, it's time to head over to InVideo AI and pick a YouTube explainer video format. I'll set the duration to around 10 minutes. To fill in the details, I'll start plucking pieces from my ChatGPT output to stitch together the title, a perfect description, summary, call to action, style, tone, opening scene, narrative structure, and more. Then, I'll choose some background music. I think an old, husky British male voice would be cool, and I'll include subtitles and a watermark. I'll skip selecting iStock media for now since those options are limited, and I can always choose more during the final edit. Let's double check we've got everything lined up just right and let InVideo do its thing. It's going to generate a script, pick media, create scenes, add a voiceover, and even throw in subtitles. Here we go. Let's create something awesome and play it to see how it turned out.
In a dimly lit chamber, a woman sits, surrounded by scrolls and ancient artifacts. This is Cleopatra, the last pharaoh of Egypt, born into the lap of luxury as...
This is shaping up nicely, and I can make further improvements to this video using the magic box below. It lets me edit the video using prompts, which is super handy. If you want a deeper dive into detailed editing with these prompts, check out my other video right here. But to keep things moving and save time, I'm going to jump into my next step to enhance my scenes. Now for the really exciting part. I bet a lot of the stock videos you're seeing aren't quite what you pictured, right? Well, I've got a super cool trick for that. First, I'll go to Edit and click on the footage I want to swap out. This highlights the text that matches the audio for that part of the timeline. Next, I'll head over to ChatGPT and look up Midjourney. I'm a huge fan of their photography-style image prompt generator. I can either use the text from the script generated by InVideo or input my own. This prompt creates 4 amazing visual descriptions of the scene that match the text, which is exactly what I need. Then, it's off to Pika Labs, an incredible text-to-video tool that's totally free. I'll paste my prompt there and generate the exact scene I'm looking for. Once I've downloaded the video from Pika's Discord, I can upload it to InVideo as media and replace the original footage. I'll do the same for the next scenes. To save time, I'll speed up this process while making a few edits. You might be wondering about the stock footage that's longer than the 3-second limit from Pika. Well, friends, I've got a trick for that too. I can take the video and use any free site to capture the last frame. Then, head over to Pika's image prompt and generate another 3 seconds of video starting from that last frame. After that, sign up for free on CapCut.com, upload all videos in sequence, and export them as a single video. This way, you can create longer footage snippets to replace in your project. The best part about this whole process is that I didn't have to stress over readjusting scenes, syncing the voiceover again, or making any other complex video edits. All I needed to do was replace the stock footage that doesn't quite fit my vision, and it's good to go. It's that simple. Let's see our video come to life just the way we want it.
In a dimly lit chamber, a woman sits surrounded by scrolls and ancient texts. This is Cleopatra, the last pharaoh of Egypt. Born into the lap of luxury as the daughter of Ptolemy XIII, Cleopatra ascended to the throne at the tender age of 18. She ruled over Egypt, a land steeped in mystery and magic, a land of pyramids and sphinxes.
Now I'm ready to export the video. I'm using one of the free accounts to demonstrate that all the changes I've made can be done using the free version too. I have the $20 per month subscription, which works well for me. But it's great to know that you can achieve awesome results without spending a penny. So now that I've got my video and thumbnail all set, you might be wondering, how am I going to start making money on YouTube? We're all familiar with YouTube's monetization rules, but to get monetized faster, it's crucial to have a catchy title that can rank higher in search results. A great title can make a difference in attracting viewers and speeding up the monetization process. To nail down the perfect title, I use an app called vidIQ. I sift through titles related to Cleopatra, looking for those sweet spot keywords that have low competition but high demand. Take a look. When I search for Cleopatra Untold Story, I find it has medium competition and a decent search volume. It's important to remember that if the competition is high, your video might struggle to appear at the top of search results. So it's worth investing time and research to come up with topic ideas and keywords for titles that strike the right balance. Low competition, but still popular enough to attract viewers. But you might be wondering, how can I start making money almost instantly after uploading my video? Well, there are two ways. The first is a super simple affiliate marketing technique that I'm about to share, and it's pretty much a surefire hit. Here's the plan. I'll be giving away a book on Cleopatra or any other historical topic I cover. Viewers get the book for free, but Amazon will pay us $5 every time someone claims their free book. So I'm going to head over to Audible, which you might know is an Amazon company. All I need to do is sign up for the Audible 30-day trial membership, which gives me 2 free books right off the bat. Then I'll join the Audible affiliate program. Once I'm signed up, I can put my affiliate link in the description box of my YouTube video. Every time a viewer claims their free book through my link, I get paid. It's as easy as that. But remember, if you're earning commission from those links, make sure to add a disclaimer in your YouTube videos. The second method to start earning is by signing up on buymeacoffee.com. This platform is a fantastic way for your viewers to show their appreciation if they love your content. They can send you coffees, which are small donations, as a way of supporting your video creation efforts. Throughout this entire process, we've leveraged a lot of automation to speed things up. My goal is to aim for about 1 video per week, and in the YouTube world, consistency is key. 2024 is shaping up to be an amazing year for all of us. Let's stay committed and see where this journey takes us.